Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rashid, hope you are very well. Today I am talking about 6 visiting places in Impal. Let's start. Well, Impal is the capital city of Manipur. Number 1. Kangla Palace. Kangla Palace is one of the top tourist places in Impal, located beside the bank of river Impal. This spot was believed to be the summer palace of the ex-ruler Methi. While planning a visit to the palace of Kangla, visitors should definitely check out one of the bustling market in Impal named Khaviraband Bazaar. The unique thing about this place is that it is owned and operated by women. It offers an excellent opportunity for a budget-conscious tourist to test their bargaining skills. Number 2. Impal War Cemetery. Impal War Cemetery is situated in Impal and Commonwealth War Graves. Communication maintains their eminent burial place. During the Second World War, in the Battle of Koima and Impal, a lot of murderers lost their life. The Impal War Cemetery is dedicated to the murderers who fought in this battle. Around 1600 burials are present in this war cemetery. If you want to have a glance at the history of Impal, then you must add this cemetery to your interior. Number 3. Sadhuchiru Waterfall. Sadhuchiru Fall is more popularly known as the Limram Fall because of its closeness to Limram in the Vishnupur district of Manipur, but the certified name for the waterfall is Sadhuchiru. The local name is derived from the Sadhuchiru Hills, after which the village is also named after. The waterfall was manually enlarged and brought to the present state by the hard work of Sadhuchiru village men and women. It is not befitting to give any other name other than Sadhuchiru Waterfall. It is around 29 km from Impal and fall under the Senapati district. Number 4. Bir Trikendrajit Park. Bir Trikendrajit Park is located close to Polo Ground and Johnston Higher Secondary and houses an 11-meter tall tower called as the Syed Minar. This tower is situated in the center of the park and its prime attraction. Syed Minar was constructed to honor the numerous martyrs who died fighting against the British during the Martia Revolt in 1891. A cemetery is located close to this tower, where thousands of graves of Indian as well as British soldiers can be found. The history of the park can be dated back to 1891. Number 5. Three Mother Art Gallery. Located within the premises of Tangapat Mapal Palace, compound in Impal State, Three Mother Art Gallery is a museum that showcases the rich culture, tradition, history and heritage of the state through driftwood sculpture art. The art gallery cum museum is run by the artist Sri Gurumayam Sayam Sundar Sarma, and the museum is situated in the single shed like room within an area of 1000 square feet. Established in 1978, the art gallery is named so because it signifies the three mothers: motherland, mother tongue and mother of self. Number 6. Seloy Lengmai Ecological Park. A sprawling park surrounded by green hills of evergreen tree. Seloy Lengmai Ecological Park is a newly built park on the eastern side of the valley. Start a journey into the beauty of nature as you step in the wood and can decorated entrance. The walk towards the main area of the park is as beautiful as the park itself. The trail towards the park is adorned on the sides with trees, which changes color with season. After crossing a miniature bridge, you will reach the park, which is decorated with numerous flowers and plants. As the park is built on a hill, you can climb towards the top, from where you can see a magical panoramic view of the whole park. That's all.